As Voyager left the planets behind, it continued drifting farther from the Sun, toward the vast unknown. And with every passing year, it became less of a planetary mission and more of a cosmic messenger. One photo, in particular, encapsulated this transition: the pale blue dot. Captured in 1990 by Voyager 1 at the request of Carl Sagan, this iconic image shows Earth as a tiny speck suspended in a beam of sunlight, taken from 6 billion kilometers away. In Sagan's words, it reminds us to cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known. Even today, decades later, this image resonates with awe, humility, and responsibility. It's not just a photograph, it's a reminder of how small we are and how much farther we still have to go. But the mission wasn't over. In 1981, Voyager 1 veered about 35 degrees north of the ecliptic, the plane on which most planets orbit. Voyager 2 went 148 degrees south. These divergent paths sent them on separate trajectories toward the outermost edge of the heliosphere, the vast bubble carved out by the Sun's influence. Their next challenge? To cross into interstellar space, a journey that would take decades. Before they could reach the stars, the Voyagers had to pass through the termination shock, where the Sun's supersonic solar wind slows down dramatically as it begins to encounter the resistance of the interstellar medium. Beyond the termination shock lies the Helios heath, a turbulent region where solar particles pile up, becoming hotter and denser. It's the cosmic equivalent of a ship battling stormy seas at the edge of port. Finally comes the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the solar wind stops entirely and the pressure from the interstellar wind takes over. This is the true frontier. Beyond it lies interstellar space. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, confirming measurements and showing that the boundary was not smooth or symmetrical, but instead fluctuates like the tides of an invisible ocean. Now, drifting through this alien realm, the Voyagers continue to send back data about cosmic rays and magnetic fields and plasma waves. They are our only eyes and ears in a region untouched by the Sun. And yet, even now, decades later, they still speak to us. Their power comes from plutonium-based radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs. Over time, their power is fading. Some instruments have already been shut down to conserve energy. Eventually, communication will cease, not because they broke, but because the universe is simply too vast. But their legacy will continue. Each Voyager carries a golden record, a time capsule of Earth. It contains 115 images, recordings of music and natural sounds, and greetings in 55 languages. It was designed for one purpose: to say, this is who we are. Will it ever be found? Maybe not. But that's not the point. The golden record is a message of hope, a declaration that we existed, that we were curious, and that we reached for the stars. At Infinity Beyond, we believe the Voyagers are not just spacecraft. They are high symbols of human perseverance. They show what's possible when science and imagination work together. They remind us that even the most fragile machines, built in the analog age, can surpass expectations and travel farther than any dreamer dared imagine. So where are they now? Voyager 1 is over 24 billion kilometers away, traveling at over 60,000 km/s. Voyager 2 trails slightly behind, still exploring a different path through interstellar space. They will continue drifting through the galaxy for millions of years, long after the Earth is changed, long after we're gone. And yet, out there in the void, they carry a tiny piece of us, our music, our greetings, our essence. In the end, Voyager is a love letter, a message from a small blue planet that once dared to explore. From the surface of Earth to the edge of forever, that is the legacy of Voyager. And for as long as we listen, the stars will whisper back, "What?"